So today we did an installation for a full entertainment screen upgrade for our Audi Q3. This is 2016 car. This is a new floating style screen 10-inch which fixes into the stock slot. As you can see, it's sat flush. There are no gaps whatsoever. This adds a touchscreen interface to the whole experience. The original screen comes as a folding screen which is about 5.8 inch otherwise. So this is a 9-inch touchscreen. It has a capacitive touchscreen, so very smooth and responsive. As you can see, by slight nudges or based on movement of my fingers, it actually rotates between the options. An interesting features like dashboard. Dashboard's basically the some information which we are otherwise seeing in the MID, RPM, speed, things like whether the parking brake is engaged. See, I've released the parking brake now, so that went away. I've engaged it again now, so it shows up red. Whether the seat belt is on and stuff like that, or whether the doors are open. So if I open the door over here, it just kind of shows me which door is open and all that. Then comes so basically this all of these Audi Q3s which sold in India came with the front AMI controller knob. So this is more of a basic trim under Audi, so the CAN bus system doesn't match with the hardware which these are, so hence we cannot really control the menu options here, but everything else continues to work like earlier. So if I go to MMI menu, this will take me back to the Audi old traditional system. So if you see, everything continues to work as it is, so we can select our stuff. So the old view, the old UI is still accessible fully, so you have different things you can choose from, like the car comfort settings and stuff like that. So you don't lose any of your existing functionality, though the UI looks very dated by what comes original, but then we cannot get rid of that because it came standard of the car, and you need access, and when the car goes for service also, basically the Audi guys will need access. So hence the original MMI continues to work as it is, and we can flip back to the Android device, new Audi UI by touching the screen. Now if you see here, there are apps, so basically we can install native Android apps. Like as you can see, there's a Play Store out here, so we can open up the Play Store and install apps of our choice. It's almost like any native tab or device, but this is Android based and it's made for the Q3, so it homogenizes with the existing systems very nicely. Like if you see, there is a parking camera which we have integrated in this. So if I just put the reverse gear, we have a boot button mounted camera with adaptive guidelines. As I turn the steering, the guidelines adapt to show us which angle the car is turning in. You can see the stock sensors are displaying over here. So so you can see the vehicle moves and the sensors pick it up quite sensitively. Okay, if we get out of this, basically there are other options, like of course the most popular thing that people look for, GPS. So Google Maps navigation's inbuilt, so you can just do our login and search for things, and if we've gone traveling somewhere, so we can pick it up, like maybe restaurants near me or something like that. So all possible. When we hit media, we can basically play music. So the system works with the existing Audi systems very homogeneously. So if you see, the volume controller on the steering works with the music that we are playing of the original system. We can browse through different sources. So basically, if you see out here, there are these music folders, there are a couple of USB drives and stuff, so you can just browse any folder and pick up the music. Lossless formats supported, so you could have WAV files and FLAC files, and that gives you great sound quality, which you cannot do generally in the usual system. There's Bluetooth, of course, inbuilt in this. So basically, you can have your hands-free calling as well as stream music. So as of now, there's no Bluetooth connected to it, so you will not see any music streaming. Sound quality is excellent, works very nicely. Another thing interesting about this new screen which we got is This is a IPS HD screen, so you could go to apps and play a video. There are different modes of, like, okay, so that looks better. You can pick this up on evoretrofits.in. If you'd like to learn more about this product, get in touch with us. And you have a great day too.